Okay, so here is my son Grégoire with the air drone, and he's gonna make it fly. Be careful, go ahead. Woo! Very good. Like, take it with me now, in front. Here you go. See how cool this is? Left, right, and he's all doing that with the iPhone. Go in front because it's a little bit windy now. Okay, leave it like this. I'm going to show. No, keep going, keep going. A remote control, see? So he's doing, you can't see of course very well, but you're doing everything from the iPhone, and there is this little camera that gives you the image, and you do left, right, up, down, take it up now, a little bit. Go up, 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 up. Careful with the wind. Yeah, here you go. Very good. Now go. Nice recovery. Now go up. Up, 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 up. More, more, more. And this is in the beginner mode. You can also go into advanced and take it as high as you want.